When you think about a programmer, the first thing most people think about is a guy waking up at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, drinking their daily Mountain Dew, and typing on their crusty keyboard writing code until 6 a.m. This is only some of programmers out there, and not every programmer is a basement dweller that thrives on drinking Mountain Dew and talks to other people in assembly. With the tools of exercise and being healthy, every programmer can have a six-pack abs instead of a six-pack of Mountain Dew. In this video, I'm going to go over why programmers should exercise and the benefits that come with exercising. My name is Bradley Allen, and on this channel, we focus on computer science topics with the purpose of making you more knowledgeable. Let's get into the video. Exercise may seem like it's just this physical thing that you do in order to get a six-pack abs or some big muscles. The truth is that there is more to it. Exercise can be a good tool to sharpen yourself mentally, and that's why it's essential for programmers. As programmers have to sit down at a computer and code, they sit down more than any other profession. And by using exercise, we can counteract that sitting that we do on a daily basis. So exercise can help get the blood flowing through your body to help you solve difficult problems that you may face in programming. So when you exercise, blood flows through your body, and it will improve your overall mental status and state and IQ to allow you to solve these programming questions and problems and difficult blockage that you have when programming. And exercise can help you a lot with this. There are a couple blogs that I've read and a lot of science that backs this up, and I'll leave a link in the description. There is also this phenomenon that, like, when you have a block on programming or when you're coding and you cannot figure out the solution, you could spend hours sitting at your desk trying to solve this problem. But as soon as you go away from the computer and start a jog or do some light exercise or walk through the park or whatever, all of a sudden you have the solution pop up into your brain. This benefit that comes to a programmer, this is a benefit that comes to programmers who exercise or do some sort of physical activity throughout the day. When a person thinks about exercising, they think about, oh, I gotta go sign up to the gym, or I gotta go to the park and do some walks around, or go somewhere else to work out. This is a false thing. Right now, wherever you're at watching this video, you can do one push-up right now and it will count as exercise. Your body will think that it's exercise. If we look at the definition of exercise, or the definition to exercise, it is activity requiring physical effort carried out to sustain or improve health and fitness. This means whatever physical activity you choose that fits your personality and way of life will count as exercise. This is important to remember when you're starting to exercise, or if you're, not used to exercising. You have to find that thing that fits your body, fits your personality, that will allow you to keep pushing, keep exercising, and keep being overall healthy. Not everybody's going to be a bodybuilder or some crazy marathon runner. It is up to you to find out what type of exercise that your body likes and adapts to, that you can keep pushing and pushing and pushing to get that healthiness and, work out every day and exercise. So here are some examples to try when you're trying to find out what type of exercise you want to do. So you have calisthenics, which is body weight exercises. You have powerlifting, which is basically lifting heavy weights. You have bodybuilding, which is getting big and burning the muscle, hurting it and building it up again and making it bigger. Then you have swimming, just swimming. Running. Some people hate running, some people love running. You have yoga, you have stretching and aerobics, and many more other types of exercises that you can do. And you have to choose the type of exercise that fits you the best, and you will be able to get more enjoyment out of it and do it more often, which will improve your health. When a person exercises, there is this mental boost that some get whenever you are done exercising, like, yes, I did it. This mental boost can be comparable to that feeling after a first cup of coffee. So you know how you drink a cup of coffee and a little bit later you feel good? This same effect is comparable to that feeling exercising is. This can improve other areas of your life. If you have a boosted mood from exercising, this extra boost of energy and mood can be put towards other areas of your life. So when you exercise, you get that boost, that energy. Use that boost in energy towards programming. Whether it be programming, cooking, eating healthy, whatever other goal that you have, exercise can help you do that more efficiently, better, and overall improve your health. Some people exercise in the morning to start their day with a boost. Others end their day with exercise to end the day on a good note. Some use exercise to reduce stress and build up from their lives. Everyone is different, and exercise must be used as a tool to improve your life rather than make your life worse. And as a programmer, this can help you a lot because you sit down a lot. You know, you stare at the screen. Getting out and touching grass, and I know it may sound like this foreign thing to do, but doing that, putting at least some effort into exercise will improve your life overall, and programming and sleeping. So there are many benefits to exercising, and I just want to go over a couple examples here. So exercise can control weight, so you do not get overweight or underweight. Exercise can help you level that out. Exercise combats health conditions and diseases. Things like high blood pressure and heart disease can all be reduced with exercise. Exercise improves mood and boosts energy, like we went over. It can promote better sleep. If you have a problem sleeping, you can use exercise to help you get back on track. You know, if you go outside and run 100 laps, you're going to be tired that night, which can help you go to sleep better and improve your waking up time in the next day. So exercise, to me, I use exercise to improve my mind. For example, I find it hard to tell myself to sit down and do some LeetCode and study some algorithms and data structures and competitive programming. I find it hard just to sit there and do that. But the same goes for when I exercise as well. When I tell myself I'm going to do 200 push-ups by the end of the day, and I execute and actually do 200 push-ups by the end of the day because I told myself I would, this improves the part of my mind that does the things that I do not want to do. So when I do my press-ups or my push-ups every day, it will help me do my LeetCode and do my coding every day, regardless of how I feel. And this is what exercise does to me. It like trains my mind to do the things I dislike to do. You know, those things that you hate to do, you do them but you feel better afterwards, and it will keep you on the progress of wherever you're going. And that's how I use exercise. This improves my ability to study longer and get things done no matter what. When I first started working out, it was very hard and I couldn't even do one pull-up. Now over the years, I've tried many types of exercising, such as lifting weights, powerlifting, and running. Exercise kind of reminds me of competitive programming. You solve problems every day, but only see the results over time. And over time, it gets easier and easier and easier to improve your body and mind at the same time. Because when you exercise, you are the guy or girl that's exercising, nobody else. At the same time, when you're programming, you have to learn the stuff. You have to do the things. Nobody else is gonna do it for you. And so that's why I like exercise. It gives you a chance to train that part of your brain where you're like, okay, I gotta do this because nobody else is gonna do it. Nobody else is gonna do that push-up. And so that's what exercise is to me. So no matter what your goals are, whether it be to get a six-pack abs and look like a model, or just be healthy enough to stay alive while sitting at the computer, exercise can be used as a tool to improve your life. And as a programmer, it needs to be in your life because you sit down a long periods of time. If you learned something new, like the video, comment down below some of the things that you do to exercise as a programmer, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.